Денеска на МТМ ке гледате 19 часот и 30 минути. Утре за денес.
Balcony forests on all 23 floors of these Milan skyscrapers. They're the world's first living buildings. Around 800 trees have already been planted on them. The Bosco Verticale project is set for completion in late 2014. The two towers were designed by the renowned architect Stefano Boeri. Until recently, he was also a politician. In 2011, he stood for election as mayor of Milan and only just lost. Then he was appointed Councillor for Design, Fashion and Culture, but was dismissed 2 years ago.
Вечерва на МТМ телевизија. Гледајте емисијата за автомобилизмот. Возете.
A rare vintage racer, the MGC GT Sebring. And the new VW Golf GTI.
Започнува во 19 часот и 5 минути.
That this police investigation will start
with one of the victims involved in an office dispute, but that has not yet been confirmed. This much I can tell you.
Can you believe it? It's national news and we don't even know what happened. Some alpaca herdsman in Peru knows more about our case than we do.
Knows what to look for, he does. One over the left eye. One right between the eyes.
Вечерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами.
Amor, si te gusta así.
Gracias.
Yo pensé que ibas a dormir más.
Me despertó la sed.
Luis, ¿es verdad eso que dijiste de la señora? ¿Que se va a casar con Ángel?
No me lo recuerdes porque me vuelve la alergia.
Pues el pobre Lorenzo también le afectó mucho la noticia.
¿A él? No, pero si Lorenzo detesta a la señora.
Во 23 часот и 45 минути. Новелата Сладка тајна. Не пропуштајте.